lesson is UI table view. So I have created blank white screen project. So print hello and run our project. So print hello white screen. So blank project created. So first of all close this and let create variable table view UI table view dot frame. So view dot bounds and table view dot delegate as a self, and table view data source is a self, and view add sub view as a table view. So showing some errors. So cannot assign value of view control type of UI table view delegate, the missing confirmation to UI table view class in view control. So import both of delegate and data source methods UI table view data source. So showing some errors again, and add data source and delegate method. So we are used two methods. Sorry. First of all, import this, fix this. So importing two methods, numbers of row section and cell for row, and is written and did select method is all delegate and data source method. So jump and find delegate this all of this protocol method UI table view delegate method. So we'll display, so we are used this method did select row at index, and data source method use cell for row and cell for this all of cell for row. Missing some. I'm not finding this method. Why so miss you? Yeah, this is UI table view data source method start. The number of section and cell for row, two method are used. So register first of all our table view cell. So table view dot register class is UI table view cell dot self, and identifier is the cell. So return 100 value and let cell table view dot decreasable cell. So sorry, decreasable cell is this cell, and index path is properties this, and return cell UI type UI table view cell return type of cell, and this return type of cell, and cell dot text label dot text is index path dot row and index, and did select method every cell to select call this function. So index path dot row and index. So run our project. This our table view. So start 0 index to 99. This is a count of 100, and particular index select to print this, any index select to call this, and changing our cell type. So cell UI table view cell, and style is the subtitle, and reuse identifier is the cell. So cell dot description details text label dot text, and details index path dot row. So showing, oh, changing var overlay. So change var and run our project. So changing our cell style, some details add here. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification my latest video. Thank you.